So we're just at our meeting with Welcome to Trouble.
And there's an Instagram competition
Which I'm going to win. And then we are going on a walking tour of the city, and then we're going to have a meal.
Oh no, you changed your shoes. Oh, okay.
Now I'm wearing trainers.
And there's meant to be 80% chance of rain.
And they keep telling us to like get raincoats, umbrellas, and we're like, it's fine. Although
It'll be warm rain.
this is where we cut to a clip of we go, I wish we brought an
Yeah, we're
umbrella.
like drowned rats when we come back. Oh well.
Sorry, not sorry. And now it's raining and we're lost. Oh my god, quick, get under. Get under.
A little bit wet.
Shall I go round? Hello, are you excited? Yes. Hello.
Shalom.
That's why I've got back to get some rain.
What's all the video?
I'm gonna make vlogs.
Is there like a whole document?
Yeah.
Of like that.
Where's it going?
On YouTube, yeah.
Yeah. Of the whole trip.
Yeah. So like my whole East Coast
It
trip.
was so funny. We were looking back at the first video that we ever filmed when we first got here, and we were so like awkward, and we looked so much younger. It's so weird. Hi. And I'm like,
They've put out the blue carpet for us.
I have no idea what this is for.
We didn't ask for directions. We were like, yeah, we'll see you back later. And now it's raining and we're lost. Oh my god, quick, get under. Get under. Why didn't we ask for directions? Why didn't we ask for one? You're not going to need them. Why didn't we ask for directions? There's people here that are laughing at us.
they're not gonna see it.
And you're wearing shorts. Oh. We've got goon.
Priorities. Oh my god. It's not as raining as hard actually now, but still. We're getting very
Everyone's judging us because they know we're tourists because we're just like this and you're in shorts. We found our way.
back on track. That's.
You are absolutely soaked.
Even my trainers are like squelching.
We were saying.
Is your skirt two-toned or is that just damp?
No, that is done.
No. It's only a video. It's a video.
We were trying to make a new video.
We're at dinner. Look, I'm shaking my hands up.
Yeah, I told you. It's not just me.
Yeah, to be like that's off. I am.
already got used to
The first time today I wasn't sure what's going on. Now I'm just like sweet.
I don't think I've vlogged any of the rain, but
A little bit wet.
my jeans are stuck to me.
Same.
And my shoes have puddles in them.